Okay, I'm going to try something with the candle, and then I'm going to try the same thing with the heat gun to make one petal, melt it or burn the edges. And so that's the shape. And I've got 2 spoons, and I'm laying it in between them. Okay. So I got a spoon on the front and a spoon on the back. Let's see. I think it will curl downward. Sometimes I think I over melt. That'll be alright. Okay, and so far it looks like that. Ugh. And it's still smooth on the spoon. I think my edges might have been a little too long, especially on the end. But I made a pretty good petal. Don't you think? Now, I'll try the heat gun. Okay, I got it in the spoon. And I'm going to blow it toward the front, where it'll be the same shape as the one I used the candle on. Okay, my screen's upside down, so I'm afraid to move too much. Yeah, I like the candle better. I guess that one's softer, and if I hadn't left so much at the top. But now I'm going to try one blowing it the other way. Can't hardly see this fabric. It'll stay in there. Yeah, I like, oh good Lord, where am I? Okay, I like the spoon idea with the candle.